Hello everybody and welcome back to another airport update. In today's airport update we have Sacramento International Airport. Here's a brief overview of it. This is just for Southwest and this is for pretty much all other airlines. Without much talking, I guess we'll get straight into it. Starting off with the Southwest 737 MAX 8 operating for a plane 800 due to the groundings. It'll be heading out to Orange County. And then the first gate over here, we have a Southwest 737-700 heading out to San Diego. Then we have another Southwest 737-700 heading out to Portland, Oregon. So far the only routes that are suspended are Honolulu and Kahalui for the you-know-what. And then here we have a Southwest 737-800 which will be heading out to Los Angeles. Next we have a Southwest 737-800 doing a seasonal flight out to Houston Hobby. Then pulling into the gate we have a Southwest 737 MAX 8 operating for a plane -800 of course, heading out to Phoenix Sky Harbor. Then we have a Southwest 737-700 heading out to Spokane. And then, you know what, we'll just walk around, hold on. Ow, my knees. Okay, and then right here, we have a Southwest 737-800 heading out to Salt Lake City. This is in the Canyon blue livery. Very gorgeous livery. Then we have one of my newest models, the Southwest 737-700 Colorado 1 heading out to San Jose de Cabo. Then the Southwest 737-700, this is in the Nevada 1 livery and will be heading out to St. Louis. And then at the other concourse, we have a Alaska 737-900, which will be heading out to Kahalui. That ends on April 1st. Then we have a Alaska E175 heading out to San Diego. Then a JetBlue Airbus A320 in the high-rise livery, which will be heading out to Long Beach, also ends April 1st. And then we have a American A319 heading out to Phoenix. Then we have a American 737-800 heading out to Chicago O'Hare. And then the last airplane in this airport update, we have a United 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to Denver, Colorado. I hope you guys did enjoy the airport. Here is actually a preview of Honolulu. We have the gray done and then we just have to, I have it all taped off, but I just have to paint the black. This will be the taxiway right here, and then this will be the runway. And I plan on adding water right here instead of grass because grass gets lame. But yeah, if you guys did like this airport update, please smash a like and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next airport update, which should be Denver. I just couldn't do it due to all my planes being on there from the collection update I did. So all the planes were on there and I couldn't do an airport update, but that'll be coming out next Friday. And yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.